So I'm with Agnes from KiiBoom, and yeah, going to show me around the KiiBoom range of keyboards.
Yeah, so for the KiiBoom, these are our KiiBoom's classic special keyboards that comes with the full ugly design. It's quite heavy, almost as heavy as an aluminum keyboard, and it's very, very shiny.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Yeah. You can also change the light effects to different light effects, or you can customize it.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, so it's clear acrylic, you say, is the keycaps.
And this one is a separate numpad because sometimes people want to just have the keyboard itself, and sometimes they want to use the numpad, so we can separate it.
Yeah, why choose 100% or 75 when you can just have both wherever you want?
Yeah, exactly.
And this one's eye-catching, isn't it?
Yeah, this one is very cute. We actually have collaborate with our influencers to make these new keyboards. Nice. They design the keycaps and we discuss about the concept behind the keycaps. Then we make this keyboard together.
Yeah, it's really fun. And that is it's maybe not my style, but the feel of that and typing on that, I could definitely, with some slight changes to the artwork, but love it. I think it's a beautiful keyboard.
Yeah, for this case, we also use a very unique UV process to help it make more like a mirror.
Okay.
Yeah, more like a mirror without having too much fingerprints on it.
Yeah, and are they all tri-mode? Can you plug in?
Yes, tri-mode as well.
Yeah. Wow. And then this is if you're a gamer, I guess you just need half a keyboard.
If you are a gamer, this firstly this is a Hall effects switches keyboard and with a single hand. So
they're really nice.
Basically, you can just use this one when you need to play the game. You just need to buy this one and save the other keyboards for your typing.
But it's gaming or it's art as well, isn't it? A lot of people like these next to their drawing pad.
Yes.
Because they only need Control Z and Control D.
Controls WASD, that. And also for this knob here, if you want, you can also configure them, so it can also be used by the designers. They can do this for the macro pad.
Yeah, it's not just, and they're all clicky. They're really solid. Yeah, nice. Cool. So thank you very much for showing me KiiBoom. It's a really great. It's a quite new brand.
Yeah.
When did you guys launch?
A few 2 or 3 years before.
Okay. Good. Well, many best of. You don't need luck. You're ready.
Thank you.